So I just want to give you guys a brief introduction to Openshift before we continue on what it's all about. Openshift is on openshift.com, and when you get in here, you should go into Openshift Web Console. Now, if you don't have an account, you can create one in here. It's free, no credit card, no nothing like that. But of course, if you want to intensely use their services, you might have to pay some money. But what we are going to use it for is completely free. I'm going to write my username and password here. And you guys should of course create a user if you haven't already. And when you log in, you get into this console that you can work with. And right now, the first time you enter, there is nothing in here. It's completely empty. So it says, start building your first application. Let me just show you what that is all about. So I'm going to say create my first application. And this is all you can do from Openshift. You can make so many types. So if you are more into PHP than JavaScript, figure it out. Maybe you want a Tomcat server, a Wildcat server, Python, Django. Now we are of course looking for the mean stack, or at least a node server of some kind. But don't worry, we're not going to generate it on our own in here. But I just want to show you, let's just for the fun of it, create a node server just to show you what you're actually getting. So it's asking, what do you want to call it, / then the name of my account here, .rhcloud.com. And I'm going to make it Node.js, just to try it here, keeping US, and then I'm going to create this application. I didn't do anything else. And this is going to take a little while, so I'll skip in the video. So now that it's done, we can actually here, you see, this is a way for us to download the code. That can't be done yet because we need to set up some keys. We'll do that later. But we can go to the overview of the application it just built. And if I press Node.js L Builder rhcloud, now I have a beautiful Node.js application right here. It can't do that much yet, but it's an application in the cloud. And next we'll figure out how to actually pull the repository down, because it takes a bit of tweaking on a Windows application where we have to use these client tools. So that will be the next step.